Hello, children. Today we will read about the poem Flying Kite, written by Frank Dempster Sherman. Now, before we start the poem, let's take a brief moment and find out the characteristics of a kite. Kites are of various colors, shapes, and sizes. But what is the main characteristic of a kite? It is that the kite can fly. Just think, children, how would you feel if you could fly in the sky? Now, let's see what flying kite. The poet writes this poem from the perspective of a child. Here, a child wants to fly like a kite. Let's read the poem. I often sit and wish that I could be a kite up in the sky, and ride upon the breeze and go whatever way it chanced to blow. Then I could look beyond the town and see the river winding down, and follow all the ships that sail like me before the merry gale, until at last with them I came to some place with a foreign name. Now let's try to understand the poem line by line. I often sit and wish that I could be a kite up in the sky, and ride upon the breeze and go whichever way I chance to blow. Here, the poet says that the child wishes to be a kite so that he can fly like a kite and float in the sky whichever way the wind chooses to blow. Then I could look beyond the town and see the river winding down. So, from the sky, the child can look ahead of his own town where he lives, and he can see the river flowing down with its many bends and curves, and follow all the ships that sail like me before the merry gale. Here, the poet says that just like the sails of the ships take them to distant far off places, the child also wants the happy, cheerful wind to take him to foreign, unknown places. Until at last with them I came to some place with a foreign name. Here, the poet says that just as the ships land in some unknown place, in the same way, the child will also come to a foreign place. So, we conclude that this poem brings out the poet's anxiousness to experience an adventure different from normal life. Thank you.